the eloquent and artistic nature's wonders. Parrots, with their vibrant plumage and unique ability to mimic sounds, are among the most intelligent and captivating bird species in the world. They primarily inhabit tropical forests, ranging from the Americas and Africa to Asia and Australia. Parrots not only captivate with their striking appearance but also with their intelligence and lively personalities. 1. Physical characteristics. Parrots come in various species with diverse sizes, colors, and shapes. Their bright plumage, featuring colors such as green, red, yellow, and orange, makes them stand out in their natural habitats. Parrots have strong, curved beaks that allow them to easily bite and handle food. Their strong legs and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, enable them to grip branches securely. 2. Ability to mimic sounds. One of the most remarkable abilities of parrots is their capacity to mimic sounds, including human speech. They can learn and repeat the sounds they hear around them, from other animal calls to human words. This ability not only helps them communicate within their flocks, but also makes them popular and beloved pets. 3. Diverse diet. Parrots are omnivorous, with a diet that includes fruits, seeds, flowers, and insects. Their strong beaks help them easily crack open hard seeds. Some parrot species also consume clay to neutralize toxins in their diet, showcasing their adaptability and survival skills. 4. Social and family behavior. Parrots are highly social birds, often living in large flocks with strong social bonds. They engage in mutual grooming and other behaviors to reinforce these bonds. Parrots typically mate for life and share the responsibilities of raising their young. This strong family bond aids their survival and growth in natural habitats. 5. Problem-solving abilities. Parrots are highly intelligent and capable of problem-solving and learning through observation. Studies have shown that parrots can use tools and solve simple puzzles, demonstrating their high cognitive abilities. This intelligence also helps them adapt and forage efficiently in their environments. 6. Role in the ecosystem. Parrots play a crucial role in tropical forest ecosystems. They help disperse seeds from the fruits they consume, contributing to plant diversity and forest regeneration. Their presence also serves as an important indicator of ecosystem health, as they are sensitive to environmental changes. Parrots, with their intelligence and dazzling beauty, are symbols of biodiversity and a source of endless inspiration for humans. Understanding and protecting these birds is vital for maintaining biodiversity and preserving the environment. Let us work together to safeguard parrots and their habitats, ensuring that their beauty and intelligence continue to enrich our lives and the natural world.
Thank you.